Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You can set a wallpaper for both the home screen and lock screen of your phone. Step 1. Download video wall. Advertisement. Step 2. Select the video. Step 3. Trim the video file. Step 4. Set the video wallpaper. Step 5. Modify aspect ratio settings for the video wallpaper. The 2nd of July 2019.
Take our lead.
When you set a live photo as wallpaper, touch and hold the lock screen to play the live photo, on all iPhone models except iPhone SE, first generation. Go to Settings, Wallpaper, choose a new wallpaper. Do one of the following: tap Live, then choose a live photo.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Steps. Go to App Store on your iPhone and search for Lively Converter and get it to your device. Run it and choose video icon greater than choose the video you want to convert into live photo greater than preview it and tap on Save as Live Photo. 9 October 2020.
Take our lead.
Take your Android phone or iPhone's lock screen to the next level. A hidden delight on the S10 Plus is that you can set a video as your phone's wallpaper. Making a wallpaper for your phone screen is one of the best ways to customize it and set it apart from everyone else's phone. 26 July 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How to create live wallpaper on Android. Step 1. Open the app, then tap Gallery. Pick the video you want to use to make a live wallpaper. Step 2. Choose the settings you like for the live wallpaper. Step 3. Once you've chosen your desired settings, click Set Live Wallpaper. The 8th of February 2021.
Take our lead.
Tap Choose File, then select Files to browse your phone's storage. From there, select the video you want to use, then leave the format options set as they already are, MP4, and Android. Finally, tap Convert File. Then within a few moments, your browser will automatically download the converted video file. 19 January 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
With your project open, add the background video clip or still image to the timeline. Scroll the timeline so that the playhead, the white vertical line, appears over the background clip. Tap the Add Media button. Tap a category from the list. Then tap the green screen clip to select it. 19 February 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.